Quotes are used to emphasize excerpts of text. According to HTML specifications, there are normally two elements which are supposed to semantically mark up quotations, namely block quote and q. Although both are intended to mark up quotes, they should be used in different contexts. In HTML, long quotation are defined by the tag block quote. Block quote are set off from the main text as a distinct paragraph or block. However, they refer to some external citation which isn't already mentioned in the content. This element can also have an optional attribute named site that specifies the location, in the form of a URL, where the quote has come from. The browser inserts white space before and after a block quote element. It also inserts margins. Short quotation is defined by the q tag. The browser inserts quotation marks around the short quotation. In practice, usually only block quote and q are used.